Assalamu alaikum everyone. Since you all were quite interested to know how I started my career in Dubai, so today I want to share a glimpse into my journey here in Dubai, a journey spanning 6 years. It began from the ground up. So if I talk about the initial stage, I came to Dubai through a consultancy back in 2019 as a security guard. Yes, you heard it right. I started my career in Dubai as a security guard, and trust me, it was not easy. It was very hard on me. बहुत मुश्किल था मेरे लिए. I remember crying almost every day. My first 2 years was spent in a bed space, sharing it with the people from different nationalities and cultures. And imagine sharing your room with 9 Africans, that too sleeping in an upper bunk. बहुत मुश्किल था मेरे लिए बिकॉज बीइंग अ कश्मीरी हमारा लाइफस्टाइल डिफरेंट है एंड सडन एक दूसरे जोन में आना इट वाज क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी. और मेरी ये सिचुएशन उस टाइम और ज़्यादा वर्स बन रही थी क्योंकि बैक इन कश्मीर तब वो 370 आर्टिकल का इशू चल रहा था एंड यू नो all the networks connections were suspended and I was not able to contact my family for months. पता क्या होता है when you are facing hardships, when you are going through tough times, having a family or friends to lean on, it makes the burden lighter. But for me back then, I had no one to speak to. I had no one, with whom I could share the struggles with. I was all alone. And 12 hours की standing duty as a security guard, trust me, was very challenging and demanding for me physically as well as emotionally. Honestly, अगर मेरी जगह और कोई लड़की होती ना, स्पेशली अगर कोई कश्मीरी लड़की होती, वो कब की वापस चली गई होती. But for me, I chose to confront, I chose to be patient, I chose to face those challenges head on. यू वोंट बिलीव कंपनी एकोमोडेशन मेस में इतना बुरा खाना मिलता था. लाइक उसको खाना तो बहुत दूर की बात थी, अब उसको टेस्ट भी नहीं कर पाते थे एंड जिसकी वजह से मैं कई कई दिनों तक भूखी रहती थी. मैं खाना ही नहीं खाती थी. And trust me, there were countless nights filled with tears. There were moments when I literally wanted to give up. Then I would just remind myself of where I came from, my dreams and the life I envisioned for myself, and that's something which kept me pushing forward. My life में कभी give up नहीं किया. I always wanted to move forward, and this story doesn't end here. After the struggle of 2 years, then I got the opportunity to work as a telephone operator in a 5-star hotel, which was indeed a step up from the security, but merely a stepping stone. I treated it as learning experience, interacting with people of different nationalities. कभी कभी ऐसा होता था कि without any reason कि लोग मेरे पे चिल्लाते थे. They will just start yelling at me for no reason. But it taught me patience and composure. And I realized I needed something more than just interacting with people on calls and handling their complaints. And that's the time when I actually decided to step into real estate, a field that resonates with my desire to meet new people and, do something new every day. And trust me, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. I gained valuable exposure and honored my skills. Alhamdulillah, I now work internationally. I travel different countries. I meet different people on daily basis. And now I'm recognized by my work. And this is something I always wanted in my life. घर बैठ के you're expecting कि आपको सब कुछ बना बनाया मिले, नहीं मिलता. You have to step out. You have to struggle. You have to face the challenge. You have to face the hardships, तभी आप लाइफ में कुछ हासिल कर पाओगे. I'm content and motivated to continue this path proudly. तो इसीलिए negativity and judgmental comments hold no weight. They don't have any impact on me because the people who are close to me, the people who know me, they understand my journey. They know what I have been through. They know how far I have come. Moving from a security guard to a sales manager now, alhamdulillah, speaks volume about the path I have traveled. किन किन चीज़ों से मैं गुजरी हूँ, क्या क्या मैंने face किया है, and how I have navigated through it all. People's judgments and trolling don't affect me. Their opinions don't matter. I am proud of myself. I'm proud of my journey, what shit I have been through, and what I accomplished in life. This is something I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope this story of mine resonates with those who troll, judge, and always try to bring others down with their negativity. उनकी समझ में ये बात आए कि किसी को जज करने से पहले एटलीस्ट हमें पता हो हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और क्या बात कर रहे हैं. क्या हमें उस बंदे की लाइफ के बारे में पता है, उसने कितना स्ट्रगल किया अपनी लाइफ में, उसकी जर्नी के बारे में पता है. बस एट द एंड में इतना बोलना चाहूंगी, अगर आप लाइफ में सच में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, जस्ट इग्नोर द नेगेटिविटी, और जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है ना, आप वो करो. किसी को भी जज करना बहुत इजी है, एंड घर पे बैठ के कमेंट्स करना, किसी के बारे में नेगेटिविटी फैलाना, हेटरेट फैलाना, ये वही लोग कर सकते हैं जो आपसे पीछे हैं. ट्रस्ट मी, जो लोग आपसे आगे हैं ना, उनके पास टाइम ही नहीं होता किसी के बारे में वो बात करे या किसी के बारे में वो लिखे. ये वही लोग करते हैं जो आपसे पीछे हैं, उनके पास कोई काम नहीं होता करने के लिए. बस दिस इज ऑल व्हाट दे कैन डू, राइट? So all you gotta do, just be focused, डू योर वर्क, कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, एंड इंशाल्लाह जो मेहनत करता है ना उसको उसका फल मिलता ही मिलता है. लॉट्स ऑफ लव. आई विल सी यू इंशाल्लाह इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज.